Hey everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Gmail filters like a pro. If you want emails sorted, labeled, archived, or deleted automatically, yeah, this full guide for 2026 will make Gmail work for you. First, open Gmail and click the small arrow in the search bar. This opens Gmail's advanced filter options. You can filter emails by sender, subject line, or specific keywords. This is perfect for newsletters, bills, or work emails you get all the time. Click Search to preview matching emails, then choose Create Filter. You can also use options like Has Attachment, Size Limits, or Exclude certain words. Now choose what happens to those emails. Apply a label, create a new one, or color code it for easy recognition. To stay focused, you can skip the inbox or mark emails as read automatically. They'll still be saved. You just won't see the clutter. For less important emails, set filters to auto archive or even delete them. Just be careful. Yeah, always double check before deleting. Before saving, select Apply Filter to matching conversations. This cleans up your existing inbox instantly. You can edit or delete filters anytime from Gmail settings. Tweak them as your email habits change. And yeah, that's how to use Gmail filters like a pro in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.